a toy. Okay, so today is Children's Day. So happy Children's Day, everybody. So we have to make something like this W. Okay, then we are going to paste it one on top of other and we will come up with the toy. Okay, so it will become like this. Okay, so you will see it's very interesting. Okay, let's move ahead and take a square piece of paper. If you don't have square piece of paper or if you have A4 sheet, then you can get the A4 this one. So you can make the square paper. How will I'll show you. Just match the corner, this one, and fold it like this. So you will get the A4 square piece of paper. Okay. So I'm just cutting the extra. So you will get the square piece of paper. So you don't need to measure it. So I have A4 sheet. So I'm just cutting and making my paper square size. Okay, so I will cut rest of my paper also square size. Just align them and cut it. So if you have square piece already, then you don't need to do this part. Okay, I didn't have square paper, so I'm just making square paper for myself. Okay, so I have got square paper now. So we will repeat the same procedure for all the papers. Okay, so the first procedure you see carefully. So I'm starting it right now. So I just took one paper and I'm going to fold it like this. Just fold, make one fold, match corner to corner and press it. Okay, like this. And then just take the corners and turn it on this side. So match corner to corner again and press it like this. Okay, hope you are able to see it. So what I did, I just folded the half and then one flap I took and I matched the corner to corner and I folded it like this. So the other one, which is at the back, that you have to fold on the back side like this. Just match corner to corner and fold your paper like this. Okay. So this was my paper and I just made a fold first this, then one is on this side and the other one is on the back side like this. Okay. So you do this step, then I will move forward. Okay, so once you are done, just open this. So are you guys done? Done, ma'am. Advika is saying done. Okay, so this was a very easy step. Okay, yes. So now open this and we are going to fold it like this. So you can just fold it like this also, same thing. So just see this is how we have folded earlier. Now I have rotated my paper on this side and I am folding it again here. So corner to corner, match it. Okay, so now we are not going to do the same procedure again. So this is one fold and now I am making second fold. So match corner to corner and then I will make third fold. So I made 3 folds now like this. Okay, so it became little small like this. See, Okay. So now I will fold it again, one part on this side and the other part on the other side, like we did in the first step, and the other part on the other side. Okay, so it became like this. Just press it so that all the folds will be proper. Okay, so everybody has got this. Yeah, so now I'm going to open it. Just open this and we have to fold it. I'm starting from the corner and we have to fold it like a fan. So one on this side and one on that side. So that is how we make the paper fan. Same thing. Okay. So just make it one on this side and one on that side. So it will become your paper fan. So children, don't miss any step. If you will miss any step, you will not get it. So see, we have to make 6 like this. So now I will repeat the procedure for 6 more paper. So please be careful. Don't miss any step. So this is again, it became a fan. Okay. So now I'm opening it again. So just open it again. And you can see there are 1, 2, 3 folds. Can you see 3 folds? Can you see 3 marks here? So from the center, you fold it like this. Just fold it from the center. You will see there is already a fold. Okay. So one fold we have to make on the up and the other fold we have to make on the back side like this. Okay. So everybody is with me like this. And now we are going to make, so just turn your paper and make a fan again. So I'm making a fan, one on this side and one on that side. So my fan is getting ready. If you have any doubt, just type it in the chat. People who have joined late, I will repeat because we have to make 6 like this. So it's very easy. Only thing is you have to remember the steps. So try to make neat folds, neat and equal folds. And yeah, so this is what I have got now. Okay, just press it neatly. And now you can see from here you can see there are 3 folds, 1, 2 and 3. And on the back side there are 2. So where you have 3 folds, just open it like, no, this is 2. And just you have to hold the same way. See, 3 folds. So I'm opening on one side and like this you have to open. Don't worry, it will not go anywhere. So you can just open it comfortably. And then just collect it again. Okay, so it will be like this. See, it became a, now you have to open from the bottom. Okay, little bit, just open it, pull, it will automatically get open. So it became a W. Can you see the W? Just pull it and open. It will be Done. Okay. So did you see how we have made a W? Like this. Okay. So I'm going to repeat the same procedures again. If you have any doubt, you can just see again. I didn't understand. Okay, yes, I'm repeating it again with another paper, since we have to make 6 of it and all of them have the same procedure. Okay, so I'm repeating it. So please be careful how we will come up with the W. Okay, so take a square paper, fold it. So there are 4 steps, 2 fan steps and 2 normal steps. So this is one, match corner to corner, and then again lift the corner upper side and fold it in the front, and the left portion you have to fold at the back. So match corner to corner. I'm repeating the whole procedure again. People who have joined late, please pay attention. So this is my first step. I took a paper, A4 square paper, and then I just folded it into half. Then I lifted the flap and folded in the front, and the left portion I have folded at the back. Okay, so this is our first step. Then open it like this. Okay, and then I'm going to fold it again, match corner to corner. So this side, now I'm folding on the another side. Okay, so this is one fold, then again. So this is different from the first step. So I'm making another fold on the same side. So this is second fold, and then again one more fold. So 3 folds. Okay, 3 folds. Now same what we did in the first step. So lift the portion, front portion, and fold it in the front, and the back portion you have to fold it at the back. Okay, so just press it so that all the crease will become sharp. Okay, so this is what we have got. So this was our second step. So after the first step we opened it. After the second step I'm opening it again. So I hope everybody is with me and they have done the second step. So please open it like this fully. Yes, very good, Arav, very good. Very good, Advika, very good. So now we have to fold it like a fan. So fan is one on this side and one on that side, then one on this side and one on that side. Okay, alternate. So you have to fold the crease like a fan. So make a fan out of it. So this is our third step. After opening, we are folding the paper like a fan. So one on this side and one fold on that side. Yes, so Arav is already done. Very good, Arav. So my fan is ready now. So this is my fan. Just press it. Okay. So now again open it. Okay. So 3 steps are done. Fold, open, fold, open. Yeah. Now then fan and fold, open. Again. So 3 steps are done. Now you can see the crease there, right? You can see this crease. There are 1, 2, and 3 crease are there, right? Can you see 3 crease in the center? So from the center, I am folding it like this. Okay, fold like this. And again, I'm folding it up. And the last one, I'm folding back. So this is same as step 1. See, step 1 was this only, right? So this became our fold. So now keep it like this, the shorter side, and make it a fan. one fold on this side, one fold on that side. So one fold on this side, one fold on that side. So it's very easy. So 4 steps are there. First is you have to fold, then open, then fold, then open, then fold like a fan, then open. Now again I am folding like a fan and I am opening it. So this was the smallest fan I have. And when we open this fan in a different way, it will become a W. See, so this is my small fan. That was my big fan. So this is my fan. Just press it. Okay, so now you can see that there are 3 folds. So there are 2 folds here. So I will turn it. So you can see where 3 folds are there. So this is 3 folds. So just open it like this. Because at the top we have 3 folds and at the bottom we have 2 folds. So it will become like a W. Okay. So I know all of you guys are very smart and you will be definitely able to do it. Okay. So just again collect it like this only and then pull all the sides which we have opened and pull all the sides on the right side, and from the bottom also pull it little bit like this. Okay. So this was my top which had 3 and this was my bottom which had 2. So it became a, you can just hold it and pull it as much as you like. So it became W. Did you get it? Everybody got a W? No? Why? You have missed any step? Okay. So everybody is saying again. So again, I will repeat. So my 2 W's are ready. See, you need to pay attention. I am doing it very slowly. You guys are not paying attention. That's why you're not able to get it. So when you are making the fold and opening it, you have to be very careful. See, after the fan, Arav, you have opened the paper and then turn on that side. You will see there are 3 folds. Just fold it into half. Yes, fold it into half. And then again fold one side on the front and one side on the back. Like this. Now make a fan of it. Make a fan, make a fold, one on this side, one on the other side. Okay. Yes, like that. Okay. So I'm repeating the procedure again. So after the fan is done, you know how to open the W, or you can just keep it. When I'm done with this third one, you can see how to open the W. Okay. So I'm repeating the procedure. People who have joined late, please pay attention. So this is 2W. I have to make 6 W's. Okay. So I will be doing it little fast now because already half an hour is gone and I'm done with 2 W's. So now the same procedure. If you want, you can do the same procedure for 6 papers together in one shot. Okay. So just make a fold and take it, the front flap, and join the corners, and the back side you join at the back. Okay. So now this was my first step. Now I'm opening it and I will again fold it like this, match corner to corner. So this is one fold, this is second fold, and now third fold on the same, all the folds are on the same side. Just you need to match corner to corner. After the 3 folds, just take the flap and fold it, one in the front and one at the back. So this is our same step as step 1. So I'm folding this on this side and that one on that side. Okay, just press the crease, and now, so the second step is done. Now I'm opening it. Okay, so now after this I have to fold it like a fan. So one on this side and one on that side. See, if you will understand the procedure, it's a very nice stress relief toy for children, origami toy. So you will enjoy it once you are done. So my third step was to fold it like a fan. So in each step I'm folding and I'm opening it again. Okay, so now I'm opening it again. And now you can see there are 1, 2, 3 crease are there. Okay, can you see the crease here? See in the center there is line. So nothing, you just need to open it and fold it like this, and then front fold it like this. So this is same as step 1, and this is at the back. Okay, now from the side again make a fan of it. So 2 normal steps and 2 fan steps. Okay, so after every step we have to open, fold and open, then fold like a fan, then open, then fold like the step 1 and then fan. So yes, so Arav was done with the fan. I am also got it. Now see how to open it. Okay, Arav. So be very neat with your foldings. Then only your toy will come out neat. Okay. So see, this is a small fan I have got here. Okay, now how I will open it? You can see there are 3 sides. I'm just going to open, and this one you can hold it from the center and open on the left side, and then open it on the right side later. So now I'm opening it on the right side. Just pull it, it will come out. Okay, so now see, just press it and pull the left side and the right side, and from the bottom also you have to pull the left side and right side. So this will be a W. See, we have got the W again. Okay, so this is how we have to make W. So I have got 3 W here. So size of each W is same because we are using the same paper, square size. Okay, so this is how you will get it, and we have to stick it with the Fevicol or Fevistick later. So these 3 are done. I'm going to make 3 more. So now I'm going to increase the speed. Yes, Arav, please try to make a W. You will get it. Please put little effort. Put this on the left side and try to collect it. And then pull this on the right side. Try to collect it. Then from the bottom also pull both the sides and try to collect them back. Okay. So 3 are done. So I'm repeating the steps again. So 3 more. So take a square paper and fold it. Then fold it in this side. So one fold in the front and the other fold at the back. Okay. then open it. This is step 1. Okay. So now step 2 is fold the paper, match corner to corner, fold the paper. So in the second step, we have to make 3 folds. So 1, 2, and 3. So all the 3 folds are on the same side. Then last fold is 1 in the front and 1 at the back. Just press it, you will get the crease properly. And now step 2 is done. So I'm opening it again. So fold it like a fan. 1 on this side, 1 on that side. So the third step is very easy. You have to make a fan. Just make a fan fold. 1 on this side, 1 on that side. So this is our third step. You're not able to open the W arrow. Okay. So I will repeat it again. Now you please be careful when I'm opening the W. Please try to understand. Yes. No, don't open it. First collect all your folds. Okay. So this is the third step. I'm opening it again. And now I'm folding it into half. And then take one flap and fold it in the front like the step 1 and the other one at the back side. Okay, so now I'm making a fan fold. So after that I will open the W. So please be careful. So if you're not getting it, you can just watch the video. Video will be saved. I'll share the link and you can practice at home. So just press it. So this is my W. Okay, Arav, now look here. Fold it and hold it like this, like a stick. Okay, hold it like this and just see. There are 3 folds, 3 pulls, 1 on the left and 1 on the right and 1 in the middle. Okay. So the one which is in the left, just try to pull it on the left side. You can hold it like this from the center and keep pulling it. And then just keep pulling the right one. So it will become like this. So now you have to collect it again. So now just fold it again. So just pull the left side on your left and right side on your right. If you're not able to do it, you can take help of your parents. Since you guys are small, so the bottom part, again, pull it like this and collect it. See, I hope you guys are pulling it correctly, but you are not able to fold it again. So this is our W again. Okay. Okay, I'm repeating the procedure again. So this is my 4th one, 5th one, and then one more, 6th one. Okay. So just step 1 is take a square paper, match corner to corner. Then take a flap and fold it in the front. And the second flap, you have to fold it in the back. Okay, so now open it and again make a, so this is step 2. I have opened it and then I'm folding it again like this, and then 2 more folds. So fold number 2 and then fold number 3. Okay, so now I'm folding it in the front and the other one I'm folding at the back. So this is step number 2 and I'm opening it again. So now I will fold it like a fan. So start from one corner and make alternate, one in the front, one at the back. All of you knows how to fold a fan. So just fold it like a fan. So this is step number 3, folding like a fan. So guys, you need to tell me which step you are not understanding. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So it has only 4 steps. Okay. So this was my step number 3, fan. And now I opened it. Okay. So now step number 4, I will fold it into half. Then I will take the front flap and I will fold it in the front. And the second one, I will fold it at the back. So now from the side, I will make a fan. Okay. See, I have repeated the procedure 5 times. So you need to understand. So this is my small fan. Okay, just press it hard. And now from the side top, I'm just trying to open it. So open it on the left and right. So first you open and then you can collect. Okay. Just collect it and pull it on this side. Just do this. So from the bottom also, just open it like this. See, people who have understood it, I think they might have become expert now. So this became a W again, right? So I have got 5. Now one more. Okay. So step number 1, just fold it into half and then take the flap and match corner to corner. Then just fold it. Then the back side you have to fold on the back. So now open it like this and fold it. So step number 2, 1 fold, then 2 folds, then 3 folds. Now the last fold is 1 in the front and 1 at the back. Just press and set the freeze. So now I'm opening it. Step number 2 is done. So time to open it. So step number 3 is fold it like a fan. So one on this side and the other one on that side. One fold on this side, one fold on that side, one fold on this side, one fold on that side. Okay, so now just press it and make the crease. So now 3 step is done. So let me open it again. So I will fold it again, match the corner, fold the paper into half, and then one in the front and other at the back. Now again make it into a fan. So fold it like a fan. This is the small fan. Step number 4. See, this is the 6th time I am showing it. I will not repeat it again. Okay, you can watch the video. So I have already done with 6 of it. See. Okay. So people who have joined late, please you can watch the video and make it and post it on the Facebook. So this is my last one. I have folded it like this. So now time to make a W. So just pull one fold on the left side and the other one on the right side. And now I'm going to stick all the 6 W's. And then you will see it will become a stress reliever game, which you call a fidget. So it's an origami fidget. Okay, all of you might have heard of the fidget. So it's a origami fidget. So this is my W. My 6th W is ready. So you just need to pull it. Don't tear it. If you will pull it properly, it will be opened. So now I'll take a Fevicol and just apply it on the see, next step is very easy. So it's not very tough. You will immediately get it. So just sticking part is left. Once you are done with the sticking, the whole procedure is done. Just apply it on one side like this and stick one on top of the other. So you can choose which color you want to put on which one. So I want to put green color on top of red. So I'll put green. So be very careful, match corner to corner when you are sticking it. Yeah, like this. See. Okay. So now I will choose pink color or blue color. apply the glue on the side and then just stick it on top of green. So when you are sticking it, just match that you are sticking it from corner to corner properly. Okay. Just press it. 3 are done, and these 3 I will do it separately. Orange, then pink. See, if the pulling is not equal, then you can just pull it and adjust it a little bit. Just fold it and see if it is falling in the place or not. Just press it and paste the last one. Just press it. Okay, so they all got stick together nicely. So now 3 are this and 3 are this here. So I'm sticking this one and so place it very carefully, just fold it and place it on top of the, so you need to see the alignment. Okay, if it requires a little bit of extra pull, then you can just pull the paper. Since all the paper are of same size, so you should get equal alignment. Sometimes when we pull, some folds are less, so you can just pull it again. Okay, so try to align them nicely. So all of my W's are aligned together. Okay, so once you will stick it, you will not be able to pull it. So please pull it before sticking it. Okay, so this is my 6 W's. I have stick them together, and now you can just open it and see, and you just open it, and the last one you have to stick it together like this. Okay, so this is the 6 W's. Now I will apply the Fevicol on one side, and so I'm going to stick the 2 open sides. Just rotate it and carefully place them together on one top of other. Okay, so just press it, keep it pressed like this for some time so that they stick together. Okay, so just press it like this so it will stick together nicely. So here are our W's, and you can endlessly, so you can see our toy is ready now. You can endlessly play with it. See, just open it, then again it will come out, and again it will come out. See, it become a game. So you're definitely going to enjoy it. Only thing is you need to understand the procedure. See, it's an endless game. So it's very fun and stress relieving, right? Can you see? So this is my origami fidget. Yes, I'm waiting for everybody. Please complete it and show me if you are done. Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. My fidget is ready. So I can play it endlessly now and I'm having fun. So you can see how beautifully this W is turning out to be, right? Same W, see, from the back and from the front. Okay, so just keep playing with this like this, keep turning it, it will not open. So it's a game now. Okay, so you can keep playing with it. If you have any doubt, you can just watch the video again. So I'll keep you guys on unmute. You can ask me, okay?
Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, actually, I don't see the recording in the YouTube.
Why you don't see the recording? Everybody is able to see it. See, this one I will post it by 7 o'clock. So you can see at 7 and then you can make it again. Okay. So this is very fun. I want everybody to make it. So it's very interesting and you will have fun after making it. So it's not a very tough thing. Only thing is you have to just, once you understand how to make a W, then everything is done. After that, you just need to stick it. Okay.
I'm just not getting the W thing, how to make it.
Wow. See, Agamjot is done. Very good, Agamjot. Very good. Good job.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the how to make the W.
See, after you have made the fold, you need to know how to open it. I have shown you 6 times how to open it. If you want, I will show you again once more. Okay, so this is the practice one. So it will be folded like this. See, this was my last fan. Okay, so this was my last fan. Yes, you see it from the front, from the top, that there are 3 flaps. Okay, so one is on the left side. So just keep pulling it like this. And then you have to collect it. If you will not collect it, it will get opened and you will get confused. So the right side one, just keep pulling it and pull it little bit like, so it will become like this. Since we have not opened the down part, so the top part will be 3 parts like this. Okay. So keep collected it. So you can fold it between your 2 fingers like this and make use of all your fingers. Okay. So now then turn it and pull the 2 sides. See, you might be afraid that something will happen, but nothing will happen. You just need to pull it. See, it became a W again. Right? So you need to open all the legs and just make 6 W and join them. You will get it.
But
you can take help of your parents, your brother, sister, elder brother, sister. So anybody else has made it? Please show me. Jagati Sankirtan, Ayush Makkar, Arush.
Ma'am, I will show you in the next class, ma'am. I didn't finish.
Yes, yes. You can send me the picture. You can upload in the Facebook also, or you can send me directly with your name, age, and city. Okay. So please send me on WhatsApp what you have done.
7-day class.
What?
Ma'am, when and all we will have class, ma'am?
See, class is always on Saturday, Sunday, 3 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy Children Day again. Have fun. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.